Alright, try to make a short video of this. January 5th, 2024. Well, the market opened up today. Had very strong up move. I had an internet outage here, so I don't know what happened. That's why this is a blank. My internet went out. Let me try to find a flag pattern. I mean, we have very strong move up. And we have a bunch of other little rips right here. You know, and they're not too strong, but I mean, the context is still up, and we're still looking for continuation moves at this point. And the VPOC shifts up. That's something I notice a lot, you know, retest the previous VPOC. Retest the previous VPOC. Retesting that previous VPOC up. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, I actually got this one earlier. Something went wrong when I was trying to take screenshots, but so I don't have it. I got in somewhere up here. Just somewhere up around here. And then I caught, you know, I got up to here somewhere. Then, oh, I got absolutely just murdered today on the downside because I could not stay in the context because of looking at all this stuff. I had been looking at, you know, retesting this VPOC right here, 56, which it did. You know, it had the big run up. And, you know, test that. Test yesterday's value area high. Tested back down to this price. And so I was still looking for this to continue to go up. You know, maybe somewhere into here. Maybe up to, you know, here or somewhere up in here. And it didn't do that. And I got just brutally killed. Made really dumb trades because I couldn't keep in sync with what was going on. So I kept trying to go long, and this was just dumping hard. And then by the time this happened, I was pretty burned out. I was just shaking and stuff. I was so angry. So, but you know, whatever. It's a bunch of random stuff, and we're trying to find some kind of an edge from it. How we do things. Uh, I'm not anywhere close to that, but whatever. Anyway, well, maybe that kind of explains higher time frame what I'm looking at. And you know, the short side had some good moves. You can read it, which I could not. And I could see this, you know, big drop. This point, I still thought we were going long, so I put some longs, got wiped out through all this. And I figured, oh, once it hits one of these, that could be a chance the buyers take it and rip it back up. And nothing of the sort happened. I was kind of looking here. At this point, I was getting kind of burned out. But, you know, for some reason it turned around here. I have no clue why. And with how hard it was dropping, it was... What do I see here? Some kind of flag pattern going long. You've got this. There's volume coming back on, but it just was such a brutal drop. Would it make sense to go long at all today after all of this? Yeah, I keep looking at all this stuff, and I keep looking at this higher time frame stuff, and I get pretty screwed on it, trying to read the volume profile stuff, going, okay, gonna get to here or here or here or here. Gonna go the VPOC or the value area high or low. Something gonna happen at these outside edges of the distributions. I've got no idea. What I really want to do is be an expert at reading the order flow. And sometimes trying to take this, and fit it in this is where I screw up and I get totally butchered. So, I mean, here's a kind of a flag starting, but, why would I go long after just getting pummeled going down? I mean, that's a chance to go long there. Just shallow pullback. But there's just no reason to go long at that point yet until you get further up here. I mean, maybe at this point you could figure, okay, there's some liquidity there, pushing it up here. Got this. I don't know, probably would have taken some off here. And here's another chance to get back in. You got this wedge shape right here, and then goes up. You start to see that. Maybe right there. And then you can get 3-4 points. Depends on, I'm still trying to work out the details with everything really, the risk management. What am I doing? What's my plan? So I'll keep on making these videos and stuff and working on everything. Who knows if I'll ever get anywhere with it. This stuff is insane. Probably send a lot of people to mental institutions or to their early deaths. So, let me see. Yeah, so I mean, closer towards the end, I'm just like, what is going on here? Sometimes you'll get, this won't really go lower than the VPOC saying push lower. It's not doing, you're getting kind of stops that are drying up. Kind of see here, you're getting more stops and got more liquidity going upwards. Not all that much down here, so could look somewhere roughly in here where you start to see more green bubbles and heading higher to retest this previous price, and it did. This is all looking in hindsight, so I know there's another one. I don't know if, I mean, want to try to find the pullbacks for good entry, but I just got to clear my head from this. This is just a brutal loss today. 2 days in a row, just horrible. I mean, it would probably take the rest of the month to try to correct that kind of damage. Thank God it was in simulation. Or I would have had to check into the psych ward or something if I had lost that much real money. And then, my God, it was a bad, bad day. But anyway, wanted to keep this video short. It's 10 minutes already. I doubt anybody will even watch to the end anyway. So I'm going to stop it here and work on this some more over the weekend. Maybe I can improve on something by next Monday. So I'm out. That's it.